In Microsoft Teams, teams are groups of people brought together for work, projects, or common interests. Teams are made up of channels. Each channel is built around a topic like team events, a department name, or just for fun. Channels are where you hold meetings, have conversations, and work on files together. At the top of each channel, you'll find tabs. These are like links to your favorite files, apps, and services. To add a tab, click the plus sign next to the tabs. Add Planner, for example, to create a project board for tracking team tasks. If you've got a lot of channels, you can make the important ones easy to find in the channels list. Just mark them as favorites. Click the 3 dots next to a channel name to remove it as a favorite, and see a list of things you can do with the channel. That's the quick overview of Teams and channels. Put them to work for you.